Is it possible to look luxurious on a budget? My beautiful ladies, welcome on my channel. Today I will show you how to look luxurious without spending a lot of money into the designer clothes. And today I will show you how to sieve this beautiful leopard print set made from the high quality silk in 2 tutorials. And by the way, this tutorial is inspired by the most famous fashion houses like Dolce & Gabbana, Gucci, Dior and Chanel. And as you can see, this is a set, and the blouse is made from the very thin georgette, and it's finished with the black silk, pure silk underneath. And I also finish it with some decorative tape right here, just to give this sense of luxurious fashion, luxurious clothes. And as you can see, the skirt is made pretty similar style, and underneath it's also finished with the black silk and with this very nice lace. So it feels very comfortable, it feels very nice to the skin, and you will be feeling in such sets from the high quality materials, fabrics, you will be feeling like a real beautiful princess. In the first tutorial, somewhere here, you will find how to see the blouse, and in the second one you will find how to see the skirt. So I invite you to watch these both videos and look luxurious. I invite you also to subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I invite you to give a like and leave a comment down below. Bye!